In this video, we'll show you how to create a quote using our interactive quote builder. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. Just click My Account and register with your email. If you're part of a construction company, design firm, or any other trade, your account can be linked to your team for easier project management and invoicing. Now you're in your main dashboard. Here you'll be able to access all your quotes and orders, track their statuses, and make updates. To add or edit information in your account, click the Account button at the top right. To create a new quote, click New Quote. In this video, we'll use the Quote Wizard, which guides you step by step. It takes a little longer than the quick quote, but it's great for beginners or anyone new to our products. Once you're familiar, you may prefer filling in the quick quote form directly. In both cases, every quote will be revised by us before you can place an order, and they can always be edited. All right, let's get started. First, give your project a name and enter the address of your construction site. Next, name your locations. A location groups together fixtures of the same type on the same power supply. For example, you could name one location Kitchen Under Cabinets and another Kitchen Ceiling Coves. If you have plans for each location, you can upload them here and here. If you have a single plan for the entire project, you can upload it later. Now select a profile for your first location. Our best sellers appear at the top, but you can browse all options. You might already have an idea from our products page, but you can also click Learn More to view specification sheets directly in the wizard. Next, choose the light color. If you know you want white light, but aren't sure of the exact color temperature, you can select To Be Determined and finalize it later before placing your order. Now pick the LED strip. If you selected To Be Determined, you'll see the full range of LEDs. If you chose a specific color, you'll only see LEDs available in that color. Choosing the right strip for your profile and application will make all the difference. If the light source is visible, you'll need something dotless, but if it won't be visible, it's less critical. Next, let's customize each light fixture. For this project, I'll create 3 fixtures, one on each side of the hood and one inside the custom hood. Start with the fixture length. Our cuts are precise, down to 1/16 of an inch. If you're unsure how to measure, visit the support section of our website for more information. The number of LEDs per track is usually pre-selected for you, but if you choose a wider profile, you might have the option to select 1, 2, or even 4 strips. The input wire brings power to the fixture. We offer standard wires in different lengths and wires with quick connectors for faster installation. If you're unsure, choose a standard 8-inch wire and contact us for guidance. The output wire is only needed if you want to connect this fixture in series to another. While this is possible, we don't recommend long chains since voltage drop can make the lights dimmer towards the end. To keep things simple and reliable, we suggest powering each fixture separately, which means each with its own run to the power supply. For mounting, our most popular option is double-sided adhesive tape. It's very high quality, the same adhesive used on highway signs, and works best on smooth surfaces like painted drywall, finished wood, or metal. For unfinished wood, such as a groove in a shelf, add a bit of silicone or builder's glue for a long-term hold. Clips are also available, or you can select none if you prefer another method. Since my 2 fixtures on either side of the hood are the same length, I'll just set the quantity to 2. Then I'll repeat the process for the last fixture. Next, choose a power supply. I want these lights to be dimmable, so I'll select a dimming power supply. On this page, all dimming power supplies are shown, but you can also click Choose for Me, and the system will automatically select the best one for your total wattage. Finally, add any extras you might need. For example, if you've chosen quick connectors as your inputs, you may need extension wires. If you're connecting multiple fixtures to one power supply, you may need wire connectors or splitters. You can also add accessories like door sensors, for example, to turn on lights inside cabinets when the door opens. Please note that adhesive tape comes pre-installed with your fixture if you selected it as your mounting option. You don't need to add a roll separately. Great! You've finished your first location. Now just repeat the steps for your other locations if needed, and you're done. At the end, you'll be asked if you'd like to request a price for installation by one of our technicians. Please note that our technicians work only with low voltage power. They'll install the fixture and connect them to the power supply, but you'll need a certified electrician to connect the power supply to the high voltage. Alternatively, if you have a wall outlet in your hidden power supply location, we can add a plug so it can simply be plugged in. No electrician required. Now that you're done, you can take a look at your project overview. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we're looking forward to working with you.